Hello and welcome back to another Photoshop video. In this I just want to look at the soft light blending mode. So one way that you can do this is using a gradient. So for instance, if I go here and we just choose our gradient tool, you can see I've just got the black-white gradient, this one over here. So if I just do this, for instance, it will make the sky darker. So you can see that this is black, so it's going to make the sky darker. So you can see the more vibrant sky compared to the original. And it is sort of, and the front looks a bit more washed out. Or you could also do overlay. It goes even more in that aspect, right? The other example you can also use soft light for. So if we try this and we put soft light, you see it does add a more textured approach. But in this situation, actually overlay is better. You can see it's bringing out like different shades of like purple at the top here, and then you can do some things with the opacity. Get it to not overdo it on the opacity. Get it to a different level. So yeah, so that will do for now. So thanks for watching.